example sum 6.32. A pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. Let's see. Imagine this is a tower. The pole is fixed top of the tower. The pole height is given as 5 meter. Right? At a point A, observed from point A on the ground is 60 degree. The angle of elevation means seeing upward. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. Let me take it. This angle is equal to 60 degree. And the angle of depression to the point A from the top of the tower. The angle of depression means here we have the horizontal line. Depression means it will be below the horizontal line. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 means then this also 45 degree. Right? So here we want to find the height of the tower. Let me take it as height of the tower as h. And name it as A, B, C, D. We want to find the height of h. Let CD and CB be the pole and tower respectively. Let me take it as CD as the pole, CB be the tower, and then that CD is given as 5 meter and CB is, now we have taken it as h. And first I choose the triangle. In a triangle ACB, in triangle, here triangle means right angle triangle. ACB I draw here separately. This is A, this is C, B, this is H. This is 45 degree. Right? Then tan theta we want to find out the h. So tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Here theta is given as 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to the opposite side is h. The adjacent side is AB. Tan 45 we know the value, that is 1 is equal to h divided by AB. Then AB is equal to h. AB is equal to h. So the distance of the observer to the distance between the observer to the tower is equal to height of the tower. So next in triangle we take the bigger triangle, that is ABD. See the whole triangle we take it as ABD. I draw here. This is the triangle of DA. This angle is 60 degree. And the distance of DB is 5 plus h or h plus 5. The total distance of DB is 5 meter plus h plus 5 or 5 plus h. Now here also we have the tan theta, opposite side divided by adjacent side is the ratio. The theta value is tan 60 degree is equal to the opposite side is, that is 5 plus h or h plus 5 divided by AB. Now tan 60 value we know that is root 3 is equal to 5 plus h divided by AB. I take this AB to this side. Then AB root 3 is equal to 5 plus h. Right? By AB is equal to h we know that from equation number 1. In the place of AB, I am going to apply the value h root 3 is equal to 5 plus h. I take this h to this side. So h root 3 minus h is equal to 5. Here h is common, so h will be taken out commonly, means root 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. Root 3 value we know that is 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 5. Right? Then when you subtract this, we get 0.732 into is equal to 5. We want to find out the h only. H is equal to 5 divided by, it is the multiplication, so change into division. So h is equal to, here we have 3 decimal places, put 3 zeros in that term, so 5000 divided by 732, right? In 5000 means 700, it will be along 6 times. 6 7s are 42, right? 6 2s are 12, 2 remainder 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, remainder 1, 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. So 4392, and then when you subtract this we get 8, 0, 9 minus 3 is 6, 608. So it is not possible to divide, so put 1 point and add 1 0. In 6800, see here we have 60 something, right? Here we have 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56 is possible. 8 2s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25, 5 remainder 2, 8 7s are 56 plus 1 58. When we subtract we get 4, 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 10 minus 8 is 2, and then 2 2 4. So approximately it has 6.8, and then next we have already have point means we have 0. In 2200, 700 it must be approximately 3 times is possible. So h is equal to 6.83 meter. Here the height of the tower, is 6.83 meter or 6.8 meter. Thank you, students.